Okay, putting in some cabinet shelves. There's two main sizes for your shelf pegs. Doesn't mean it's the only sizes out there, but the two main sizes you're going to find. One is a 5mm. It's a little bit smaller peg here. And then the other is a 1/4-inch peg. It's a little bit bigger. So the smaller one is the 5mm. This one I'm counting how many this goes up. This particular one, it's been painted, so I've kind of got to tap these in. And then I've got these, the other one is these plastic pegs, but again, this is the 5mm size. And because this one's painted, like I said, I have to kind of tap it in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Usually if you change the pegs to a different style, this one's got a little spoon.
There are many styles.
One side, then you have to change all 4 pegs so that your shelf will sit flat. This one I've got tapped in. This one's a tricky shelf to get in. I'll just kind of show you this just because it's a little more interesting than your traditional shelf. This one I have to slide in like so. And then I've got to do this crazy balancing act where I lean it against the back wall, lift it up, and drop it into place. That's it. This one's the spoon shelf pegs. This particular one, if you used it, it would rock, you know, it's a different style. And this is a little bit weaker, so glad to have something a little bit stronger on the shelf pegs, but just wanted to go over the two most common sizes you'll find. 5mm, a little smaller, and 1/4-inch, a little bit fatter.
For more in-depth articles, check out the Kung Fu Maintenance blog at blog.kungfumaintenance.com. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.